Hello there guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to make this Canva poster design of a cupcake in just like 3 minutes. Plus you can get this template for free from the link in the description below, and it's absolutely free. Just open up the link in the description below. So let's start, but first make sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So first of all, let's go to a Canva poster which is totally clean with nothing on it. Go to shapes and we're gonna just go to basic shapes and add the shape. Now we're gonna change its color from the color, and let me just decrease its width. Now let's go back to elements. From here I'm gonna insert a circle and change its fill to white. Next, what I'm gonna do is go to uploads, and I'm just gonna find in elements and search for a cupcake, and this cupcake appears. Just put it on top of the circle and change the color of the background shape. Then we're gonna add a text box, go to effects and give it this curve effect and add just the curve. Next, what we're gonna do is just change the fill after adjusting. First of all, let me just adjust it. Move the circle a bit downwards. Now we're going to change this font. The font I'm going to use is a random font which is Fries Baskerville. This is the font name. Next, we're going to change this fill to white and go duplicate it, go to curve and take the curve to minus, and yeah, this is what we have right now. Now let me just paste what I have to write, which is going to be my main content. Just post your main content right here, whatever the text you want to use. Then our main body is all complete. Now go to elements again, search for chocolate drip, and from here just put any chocolate drip that you like. I'm gonna go with this one. Now let me change its fill. Yeah, so here we go. Then we're gonna go and search for star in the elements and put this sparkle star. Here we go. Then we're gonna go for a star again. We're just going to take like different colors. Then we're gonna change the positions. Here we go. So yeah, this is the final results of what we made this video, and if you like this poster design, make sure to hit the bell icon and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can get this for free from the link in the description below.